Eurobin is a 200 litre standard global large food container. It's used for both transporting raw food, cooked food around any food facility. The Industrial Washing Machines version not only cleans the inside, but it's designed to totally invert the bin by 180 degrees from floor level, so that the inside gets washed very thoroughly, and then on the outside of the machine we've got a travelling jet system that cleans all of the outside areas, including the lip of the bin that can often get spills, and more importantly, our machine over our competition also washes the wheels as well, so that the whole bin inside and out is fully cleaned and sterilised.